Hello, Color Computer fans. This is Carlos Camacho with the Color Computer Store, and today I want to talk about working on issues with keyboards from Color Computer 2 models, but I suppose this is going to apply to Color Computer 3 folks as well. If you are interested in some of these videos that I talk about restoring computers, take a look at the Facebook group and search for my name, and you'll find some other posts that I had in the past. So this keyboard, one of the problems that was going on was that when I was pressing down on the H key and a couple other keys, it wasn't going down. It was going down, but it was stuck in a down position. So I took the keyboard apart and I thought, okay, maybe the spring looks like, let's see, let me grab one, like so, was out of position or not even in the keyboard, but that was not the issue. So I took about 5 keys off this keyboard and I put them in my little ultrasonic cleaner and ran that for a couple cycles. And most of the keys, once they were put back in, they worked fine. But the H key gave me trouble. And so what was happening was that if I go, let's say, underneath the keyboard, what should happen is as you push on the keys, they should immediately fall back down, like so. And that's the indication that they're going to work correctly. But with the H key, as I pushed up and I let go, it wouldn't drop back down. It was in that stuck position. So I did a couple things, and first I cleaned the this mechanism a little bit more. I cleaned the keycap a little bit more. I cleaned the inside hole there that you see where the key goes back and forth. Tried that, didn't work. I tried some mild lubricant, that also didn't work. Finally, what I did is I grabbed some sandpaper and put it around my screwdriver, like, let me see if I can do this with one hand, like so. And then I pushed it into the hole and I went back and forth, and then afterwards I got the same sandpaper and I went around the outside of this kind of little column, and also in the holes on the bottom and top, and I did the same thing for the other side. So I did that for a little bit, and then I applied some mild lubricant again on the outside, and install the key back, and now it's going up and down perfectly, just like new. So if you run into this problem, now you know how to fix it. Thanks again. This is Carlos from the Color Computer Store, and hopefully you'll go to my eBay store and buy some CoCos and some other retro gear for me. And down the road, please visit thecolorcomputerstore.com and buy some products there as well for your CoCo. Have a good night.